Hello students. Now we are going to discuss a subtopic of ratio, that is ages. Yes, it is important because there are a couple of questions they will ask regarding this. So before starting this, we have to go with the particular statements which they are asking. For simple example, some key points which we need to take care. For simple example, hence, after, and now. These are the words which they are talking about future. 5 years hence means 5 साल के बाद. 5 years after means same. 3 years from now. So it is again. So after the before. Sometimes before means these couple of years before and ago. Some years, 5 years ago, 4 years ago means they are talking about past. So this is going to future. This is going to past. These are the things to be taken care of. Next, younger than, and older or elder. Now, if this is, he is 3 years younger than me, that means my age minus 3. 3 years older than me, that means my age plus 3. Same case. My age is 3 times his age. Times means constant multiplied by the x. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 2 times, 1.5 times goes in this way. Fifth, times more or less. These are the two things. 3 times more than me, 3 times more than me, or 3 times less than me. If these are going then, the difference is 3 times more means me plus 3x. This is the 3 times more than me. Then it will become 4 times exactly. So these are the terms which we use to understand, which we have to understand while starting the question. So now, this unit is actually the application of ratio. So we will solve the couple of questions to make you understand. Then I will wrap up this video. So now, the question is the sum of present age of son and father. Sum present age of son and father. The sum of present age of son and father is equal to 60. That is 60 years kind. Now, 6 years ago, the father's age was 5 times the age of his son. 6 years ago, father is equal to 5 times of his son. So how will you solve it? If they are asking for the son's present age, past age, anything. So I can replace this value here and solve it. Easiest way. This is the way how they are doing it. Father is equal to 5x. So s plus 5s is equal to 60. 6s is equal to 60. S is equal to 10. That is the present age. This is the basic thing to do. Is it clear? Now, if we have to talk about it, in this way, so there are many things to be taken care that what ratio they have given of present or for the past. Now we will go in this. The next question I will discuss. Then we will talk about it. Now the present age of Kiran and Shyam are Kiran and Shyam. This is the second question we have discussed. The present age of Kiran and Shyam are in the ratio 5:4. This is about present. Present age is in the ratio 5:4. 3 years hence means 3 years hence. 3 years hence. Their age will be in the ratio means Kiran ratio Shyam will become a new ratio, that is 11:9. Now they will ask present age or the future age. So how can we start? I told you we can solve this question by saying in a simple or particular way, by simple saying the ratio can be converted into age. Done. 3 years hence means 3 years later means we are talking about future. That means he walked 3 years, he also walked 3 years. Then it will become 11/9. So I can say 5x plus 3 upon 4x plus 3, that is equal to 11/9. So I can solve for x and this will be the value. Is that clear? Now, if this question is in this way, that this is not the present age. Now I am changing the question by simply saying 3 years ago, the ratio of father to son's age is 5:1. 4 years hence, the father to son ratio becomes 3:2. Find the present age of both. So how will you do? I have taken the random values, it can be in decimal, so we'll solve it. If you assume father's age be x, son's age be y, then what will you do? X minus 3 upon y minus 3 is equal to this. Then you will go in this way, na? X minus 3 upon y minus 3 is equal to 5/1. Then second case, x plus 3, x plus 4 by y plus 4 is equal to 3/2. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 2 variables you can solve it. Now it is lengthy. This is the basic method to do. Now this is lengthy. Now the trick is the point where the data is complete and you have the data to compare with it, then it can be solved easily. Now see how to do it. I need to find present age. Leave present age behind. Convert this age 5x and x. From this point till this point, how many years they have gone? 7 years. So I can do 5x plus 7 upon x plus 7 is equal to 3/2. Find the x. X will be calculated. Then what is the present age? 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3 and x plus 3. Is it clear? This is the one way from past to present. Now future to present. This is 3x. This is 2x. They have traveled 7 years back. So I have to remove minus 7. Minus 7 is equal to 5/1. Done. Now we can solve it. Find the value of x. Calculated x can be calculated. Now what is the present age? 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4 and 2x minus 4. This is the answer. So this is all about the ages. These kind of questions they will ask in the ages. I hope it is clear to you. So try to solve questions on the ages. Thank you.